Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Bento profile that's not updating in 2026. If you've made changes to your Bento page, but they're not appearing publicly, this guide will walk you through the most common fixes step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Bento account. Go to the profile or page you've been editing and confirm that your latest changes have been saved successfully. Next, click the Save, Publish, or Update button if it's available. Unsaved changes won't appear on your public profile. Now refresh your Bento page and check whether the updates are visible. If they still don't appear, clear your browser cache or open the page in an incognito window to rule out cached content. Next, make sure you're viewing the correct Bento profile or page, especially if you manage multiple pages or accounts. It's easy to accidentally edit one page while checking another. If you're using the Bento mobile app, close it completely and reopen it. You can also sign out and sign back in to refresh your account data. Now check your internet connection to ensure your changes were uploaded successfully. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes interrupt the update process. Finally, if your profile still isn't updating, try using a different browser or device. If the issue continues, contact Bento support and provide details about the changes that aren't appearing. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to fix a Bento profile that's not updating step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.